Hello, Christian. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Dana and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Crosby Roofing and Seamless Gutters homepage. So as I scroll through, I see that everything is very simply laid out so people can find everything that they need to find. And so the site looks pretty good. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of content on here. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. I did do a word counter search, and you currently have 573 words of original content. This right here, these client reviews would actually be considered duplicate content since you can find them on your Google business profile page or on Yelp. And so you want to have 15 to 2,000 words of original content. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. Now, in addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. Over here, I have typed in the keyword best roofers in Athens, Georgia, or GA. This is a great keyword. It brings in 720 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good to take advantage of when the market is hot or you want to promote a special offer or event that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they're not going to be your best long-term ROI. Below our ads, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here, or any of the 3 businesses listed in the top 3 in any of the areas that you serve. Be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way to bring more powers to your site. And so right here, we can scroll down and see that the first company page that pops up for this keyword is Burrell Roofing, Athens. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush, by the way, is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It does cost me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I can see that they have 548 backlinks from 160 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 143 keywords. Down here, I can take a closer look and see which keywords they're ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. So here we can actually organize them by the amount of traffic that they get from each keyword. And here we'll list all the different keywords, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, what percent of the traffic they get is from that keyword, how much volume that keyword gets every month, so how many people are searching for that keyword. And you can go through here, find the best ones, and incorporate them into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. So it's telling me they have 548 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. So over here, I have actually typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, I've pulled up the different keywords that you are ranking for. And so again, you want to focus on buyer intent keywords that are location specific. It does seem like you're going for some pretty good keywords. For a lot of the ones listed here, you are ranking anywhere from around bottom of the first page for a couple of them, but anywhere from like the 4th to the 8th page. But we can organize them by traffic and see which ones you get the best results from. So it looks like you are getting some good traffic from a few different keywords, and you're ranking pretty well for a few of them too, but there's definitely a lot more that can be expanded on and focused on. Now I'm going to go back and take a look at your backlink count. So here I can see you have quite a few backlinks, 2,000 from 411 different domains. As you can see here though, about a little over half of them are do follow, a little less than half are no follow. So no follow links aren't necessarily bad, but they don't really count towards the power of your site. So you don't want to just go through and make sure that you're only getting a lot of links. You want to make sure that they are powerful links that bring power to your site. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them can actually hurt your site rather than help. So I would suggest going through and making sure that all of the backlinks you have are quality links and that most of them at least are from relevant sites as well. But if we take a look back here, right here, it will tell me that you have 1,200 people finding your site organically every single month, with 3 people finding it through paid search. And if we go back to our competitor, we can see that they have around 6,700 people finding them organically every single month. But I think that you can get rise in the ranks for the right keywords and start bringing in some more high quality traffic if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which, to recap, number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want to go through the backlink profile that you have now and add in more high powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.